This is the third video on insurance coverages related to ERISA-based retirement plans. We've covered the mandated ERISA fidelity bond and the fiduciary liability policy. Today we're going to talk about employee benefit liability or EBL coverage. This is where it gets a little confusing and where many insurance agents foul up is by thinking they can protect the trustees of a plan by endorsing the company's general liability policy with employee benefit liability. The name of the coverage seems to imply that it would protect trustees from potential liability arising from benefit plans, but unfortunately, that's not correct. EBL, or employee benefit liability, is a form of E&O insurance and only covers the plan and its trustees for errors made in the administration of the plan. EBL is cheap, usually a couple $100 or less per year. But EBL will not cover failures of prudent guidance or management, which is the domain of the fiduciary policy we discussed earlier. So do you need to purchase both EBL and fiduciary liability? No, you don't. The fiduciary policy is broad enough to cover not only the claims which arise from breaches of fiduciary duty, but also claims which arise in the administration of a plan, such as the E&O type claim. The bottom line is that when you have an ERISA-based plan, you are required by law to have fidelity coverage, which is also known as the ERISA bond, to protect the fund from theft. Fiduciary liability is not required by law, but the ERISA law does impose strict duties on trustees, and it puts their personal assets at risk. Only a fiduciary liability policy will cover these types of claims. Finally, EBL does provide some protection for errors and omissions made in the administration of a plan, but is not broad enough to cover the serious claims which allege a breach of fiduciary duty. Have questions or concerns when it comes to the risks from your company's retirement plan? Why not contact me so we can start a conversation? Thanks.